Are you ready to unlock the future of crypto trading? Meet AI agents, your new best friends in the market. Imagine this. You're staring at charts, feeling the pressure, while the market moves faster than you can blink. Frustrating, right? Now picture an AI agent. It processes data at lightning speed, executing trades without a hint of emotions. Sounds like magic? It's reality. Say goodbye to exhausting research and analysis. AI agents work 24/7, spotting the best trades with precision. They see patterns hidden from our eyes. Like a hawk, they swoop in on opportunities. Did you know they can adapt? They change strategies on the fly. If the market shifts, they're already ahead of the game. These agents dive deep into historical data, learning from the past to optimize their trades. Imagine a sophisticated algorithm crunched to perfection just for you. Here's a jaw-dropper. One AI agent rode the 2020 Bitcoin bull run, racking up over 500% in returns. That's a wild ride you don't want to miss. Another example? An agent hunting for Ethereum arbitrage opportunities. It spotted price discrepancies and generated 200% profits in mere weeks. In the 2020 flash crash, when panic spread, traditional traders were left in despair. But not these AI agents. They thrived amid the chaos, flipping volatility into victory. It's a game changer. No more emotional roller coasters, no more sleepless nights. Just smart, calculated trading. Want to learn more? Imagine how diversifying your portfolio with AI could change your financial future. This is just the beginning. The world of crypto is evolving, and AI agents are at the forefront. Are you curious about how AI can turbocharge your trading? What if you had all the market insights at your fingertips? Let me know your experiences with AI agents in crypto. What were your results? Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for my next video on unstoppable crypto trading strategies.